Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share your resume as a link. Let's begin. Sharing your resume as a link can be a convenient way to distribute a resume, especially if you're applying for jobs online or networking via email or social media platform. Now, I'm using LinkedIn, and I'm gonna go to the search button here at the upper left corner to look for job opportunities related to YouTube content creation. Now here, there's a lot of job opportunities and applications opening here. For example, I'm going to look for the YouTube content creator and influencer. If I click on that, what will happen is you have an option to apply. If you click that, what will happen is you have been forwarded to their official website. You need to click on the apply for this job, and you see there's going to be an option that says upload resume. All right. Now, if you don't have a resume yet, okay, this is very important because we need this step before we can proceed. All right. One of the best platform for creating resume from scratch is going to Resume Builder. All right. You can easily create the perfect resume for any job using the best in class resume builder platform for free. All right. Just click on this button right here. Now, another option is just go to Canva. As you may all know, Canva is a popular online graphic design tool that offers resume builder because Canva's resume builder is user-friendly and provides a wide range of templates. Now, when you go to the elements on the upper left corner and type in resume, you see there's a lot that you can choose from. All right, you see? And of course, from here, you can just drag and drop the visually appealing professional resume, and of course it's free to create an account here on the Canva. Not only that, when you click on the upper right corner, there's going to be a share button. You see, you can download via the PDF, JPEG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, MP4, but don't worry because you can also send it as a link. Anyone with the link, obviously copy that, and of course go back to your to your LinkedIn job posting and paste the link to the URL. All right, and then the next option that you can do is go to the. You can also go to the Dropbox. All right, here in Dropbox, you can simply create a free trial account. You can simply skip the following prompt. All right, and then from here you can simply drop the file here instantly. All right, if you wanted, you can also download the desktop application for Dropbox. Now I want you to skip this step, and then from here you can simply click on upload files. All right, for example, this is going to be the upload file. Now the file has been uploaded, probably around here. Choose location, and once the file has been uploaded here in Dropbox, you can simply copy the link and share this resume to any job opening platforms that you can join. All right. Now, the next option that you can explore if Dropbox is not meant for you, everyone is familiar with Google Drive, right? Now, the thing is, here in Google Drive, obviously, same thing with Dropbox. Just sign into your account, and obviously here, just click on the new button and select file upload, just like what we did with Dropbox. Now here, you can create a new folder and rename it as something like this one. And then from this specific folder, I'm going to add a new file. All right. Gonna click upload. Once the file has been uploaded, just wait for it to load. Again, here, it's very easy. You can set permission level. For example, here you can share these settings. All right. You can choose the anyone with the link can set it to viewer to ensure that others can view the resume without editing it. All right. You can also put in the commenter, or you can simply click on the editor. Once you've done that, copy the generated link, click on done. And of course, you can now paste this link to emails, application forms, and LinkedIn, or any other platform where you want to share your resume. What I'm going to do is I'm going to email this specific company via the Gmail, right? Now, I'm gonna put in the link. That is gonna be my resume link, and this is all right. I'm gonna put in the email, for example. And the guide is the recruiter for that specific job posting. There you go. And of course, just press put in your message, something like you want to apply for the said position in the YouTube content creator, right? After that, you might want to click on send. Now I'm gonna paste in some template resume message, something like this one, and attaches my online link right here. Obviously, we can put something on this this one. Maybe let's put it like a different color, underline and bold, all right, so that the recruiter can easily notice the G Drive link. Once you've done that, obviously click on send. Now, another option that you can use is the service of TinyURL. Basically, it's a URL shortening services that allows users to create a shorter versions of long web addresses. This service is particularly useful when sharing links, for example, your resume, where space is limited or where long URLs might be unattractive, such as an email. So we're going to get the G Drive link and paste it here. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this one and switch over to the TinyURL. Okay, here I'm gonna paste that and try to click on the shortened URL. So this is going to be a lot easier. Now, when you hover back to the LinkedIn, it's going to be a lot easier now to apply because you have a shortened URL. You can simply send them a message. And for example, this one, mobile number, just follow the on-screen instructions. All right. By sharing a digital link, you can contribute to reducing paper usage, aligning with environmentally conscious practices, because a resume shared as a link can include clickable URLs, making it easier for the recipient to visit your LinkedIn profile, portfolio, or other online resources. And of course, sharing your resume as a link not only makes the process more efficient, but also provides a range of benefits that can positively impact your job search and professional presentations, because some platforms allows for interactive resumes where viewers can click on links or view embedded content, making your resume more dynamic and engaging. Well, thank you for tuning into Andy's Guides. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you can stay updated with all the latest content. See you in the next guide.